On the camera button, you will be able to access the video intercom's camera. The camera can be viewed without the need for a call to be made. The key button will be used to open the gate. If you want to speak, you will need to press the button with an icon of a person talking. On the multi-function button, you can adjust the volume up or down. By sliding your hand across the screen, you can turn on the system and see the current mode. By entering the password with the same tempo as the screen, you can turn on, turn off. If you enter the code and press the closed circle icon, the alarm will be reactivated, muting the alarms of interconnected fire detectors. This mode is not available. To activate it, please contact your agent for more information. In the Tidum app, you will find the Lighting and Blinds section. In the Lighting section, you can turn off all lights by using the master switch or individually. If the master switch remains disconnected, there will be no possibility to turn on lights individually. To be able to turn them on, you must first turn on the master switch. In the blinds section, you can adjust the curtains individually or collectively to the desired level using percentages. The ducts and underfloor heating go together. It is not possible to have both cooling and heating at the same time. We have 3 presets that we can configure to our liking. In the operating mode, we have heat mode, cool mode, fan mode, without providing either heat or cool. The defrost mode allows selecting a minimum temperature that, if detected, will switch the system to heat mode to warm the room and protect the contents from potential damage caused by low temperatures. Vacation mode allows configuring a period during which the unit will not be used, preventing energy waste or unauthorized use of the equipment. The timer allows the user to define a schedule for different on-off events throughout the 7 days of the week. In this wall-mounted device, you can configure the temperature of the residence, set it to heat, cold, dry, ventilation, or automatic mode, and adjust the degrees and power. The operation of this device is to provide information about the water temperature, and it can be turned on or off as needed. This device is used for the ventilation operation of the residence. The ventilation system will work correctly if, when it is turned on, all doors are open, allowing it to effectively remove humidity. We can manually set the power to the desired level. For optimal performance when activating it, it should be in the mode with the crossed arrows. Enjoy your new home. Wapf.